Welcome to the Kamayati Kai Yoga Space. I'm Kai, and today we are going to explore the core and Ujjayi breath and how they work together to help us strengthen in our practice. In today's practice, a block would be very beneficial. We might use it, and then we will look a little bit deeper into what makes up the core. We'll explore all the different little elements of Ujjayi breath and really just develop a nice, strong breathing practice. So go grab your goodies and meet me back here. The core. A lot of people think that your core is your abs. It's not just that, okay? I'm gonna get onto my knees to show you a bit better. So your core is the abdominal walls. So we have our rectus abdominis and our transverse abdominis, which are the two layers of abdominal muscles that sit here in the front, okay? Then we have our obliques. We have little oblique muscles here at the top. And then we also have these big obliques on the side, all right? And then it goes even further than that. It goes into the muscles that take up the back. So the ribs have little muscles in between them called intercostal muscles. Those are part of your core. We have the spinal muscles. So we have the multifidus, which are thick, long muscles that run along the spine. Then we have the erectus spinae, which are on top of that. We have the quadratus ludorum, which come from the lumbar spine, ludorum, lumbar. And then also our entire hip girdle is also part of the core. So the hip flexors that are in the front here going down into the tops of our thighs, our lower back muscles, our glutes, gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, minimus, all of those. The psoas muscle, which is like the human fillet, it comes from the back here down the front. It's what gives us the V lines when you see the people that are all muscly. So there's the psoas minor and the psoas major. And then there's also the iliacus, which is more inside the hips, coming towards the front. So the core is this whole section over here. And the core performs like a piston in a car. So if you know anything about cars, a piston is what pumps force into the car, which helps the engine run. What happens when we breathe is our core expands and contracts. And it expands and contracts up and down. So the diaphragm and the bottom of the belly, also part of the core, it expands up and down, it expands side to side, and it also expands forward and backwards. If you can visualize this picture, like as we breathe, everything expands and contracts. And that helps us circulate the blood, oxygenate the blood, get the stagnant energy in our body moving, and really helps us to take just simple moves and turn it into yoga, which is a full body, mind, breath union. So we're going to try and practice this for a moment. What you are going to need the block for is you're going to take your block and you've got it here between your hands, okay? And you've got your block here in front of your belly button. And you can sit in any way that suits you, whatever works. And we're going to inhale, press into the block as you inhale, and keep pressing into the block as you exhale. Just brings a little bit more awareness into the spinal muscles. Deep breath in. And out. So let's put this down for a moment. So that was just a normal breath. Now let's look at what Ujjayi breath entails. So I've done another video on this. If you have not watched it, please go watch it. It's a little bit more in depth than this one, but I will explain a bit more about Ujjayi here as well. We make a slight restriction at the back of the throat, as if you're fogging up glasses, like let's try that. Deep breath into the belly, and then blow it out into your hand. Feel how it takes the whole core to even do just that. So let's do that a little bit more consciously. Deep breath in, feel everything expand. Bring your hands to the sides here. So we're going to do this with the mouth closed. Inhale. Breathe so that you push your ribs into your hands. Sigh it out through the nose. Good. Feel here into your diaphragm. Deep breath in. Sigh it out through the nose. Let's feel on the abs, and here at the back, let's breathe to expand our hands. Deep breath in. And exhale to contract. Now we're going to do 5 whole breaths. Let's see if we can include everything. Let's do this lying on the floor. Hands on your belly. Bend your knees, feet on the ground, and tuck your tailbone so that you've got a nice long spine. Let's do 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Let's see if we can inhale in every direction. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Let's take a moment here to notice how you're feeling after those 5 breaths. There might be a subtle difference, there might not. Either is okay. Come to sit up with me. I don't know if you felt it there, but it's almost like you're a transformer. And when you inhale, you can feel all these parts of yourself expanding and expanding out in every direction. And every time we exhale, you feel it all come down again. And then you come out, and then it all comes back in. It's a very subtle sensation, but when you really focus on it, you can feel it really strongly. You can come back to this video as many times as you need to practice feeling the breath in the core and practice moving the whole body to accompany your breath. Over here, I have a video that is going to do a small core flow where we really focus on using the Ujjayi breath and the core, moving through a flow. Come practice with me over here, and let's put what you just learned into some serious practice. If you like this video, please follow, like, subscribe, comment. I also have a website. My website link is in the bio, and I am doing my filming in the beautiful Escape Yoga Studio here in Pretoria, where I also teach weekly classes on a Wednesday evening at 5:30, a Friday morning at 8 o'clock, and every second Sunday. So please come if you are living in Pretoria, South Africa. Please come and check out our studio and join us for a few practices. It would be great to have you on the mat with us. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.